Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure every device is on the same LAN and subnet, and that network discovery is enabled. Next, create or pick the folder you want to share and adjust local file permissions for your user account so you can manage sharing. Once done, enable the operating system's file sharing feature and choose the network profile as private. This reduces firewall blocks and lets devices see each other immediately, so you can proceed to share the folder. Now you configure the sharing details. Right-click the folder and open Share or Properties, then Sharing, set a clear share name and pick access type, read-only or read/write depending on needs. Grant specific user accounts or create a share password and limit simultaneous connections if desired. Make sure firewall rules allow file and printer sharing, and confirm SMB protocol versions if mixing OS types. Older SMB may be disabled. Once configured, test access from another. Finish by mapping the share on client machines. Use // hostname or // 192, 168, x and save credentials if needed. Verify permissions with a quick test. Create, edit, then delete a file to confirm read/write behavior. Make sure the share persists after reboots by using persistent mapping or a startup script. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to check firewall rules first. Then confirm SMB protocol compatibility, correct credentials, and that the host's network profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.